More about multiplication. Spiral learning. Knowing multiplication by 1 and 0. Skip counting and tables. Multiplication in columns. Multiplications with regrouping. Multiplication by 10 and 100. Number of equal groups into number in each group is equal to product. Multiplication fact. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Multiplication on the number line. The ball will take 4 jumps of 2. To reach 2 into 4 is equal to 8. The bat at 8. Skip counting and tables. By the threes. Color every third block. Now write the numbers in colored blocks here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. This gives us the table of 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 equals 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 equals 27. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 3 equals 30. By the force. Color every fourth flower. Now write the numbers in the colored flowers here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. This gives the table of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 equals 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 4 equals 36. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 4 equals 40. Let's do. Read aloud and learn these tables. Table of 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 1 times 11 equals 11. 1 times 12 equals 12. Table of 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. 2 times 12 equals 24. Table of 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. 3 times 12 equals 36. Table of 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 12 equals 48. Table of 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60. Table of 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 times 12 equals 72. Table of 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 times 11 equals 77. 7 times 12 equals 84. Table of 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. 8 times 11 equals 88. 8 times 12 equals 96. Table of 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. 9 times 11 equals 99. 9 times 12 equals 108. 1 table of 10. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 11 equals 110. 10 times 12 equals 120. Multiplication facts. 2 rows with 5 plants. 5 rows with 2 plants. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Multiplication with 0 always gives product as 0. 0 property. 4 squares with 0 chocolate. 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Multiplication in columns. Multiplication without regrouping. Let us now multiply numbers by writing them one below another. Column or vertical method. We multiply each place value one by one. Example 1. Multiply 12 by 4. Multiply 4 by 2 ones. 4 times 2 ones is equal to 8 ones. Multiply 4 by 1 tens. 4 times 1 tens is equal to 4 tens. 12 times 4 equals 48. Examples 2. Multiply 234 by 2. Multiply 2 by 4 ones. 2 times 4 ones is equal to 8 ones. Multiply 2 by 3 tens. 2 times 3 tens is equal to 6 tens. Multiply 2 by hundreds. 2 times 2 hundreds is equal to 4 hundreds. 234 times 2 equals 468. Multiplication with regrouping. Example 1. Regrouping ones. Multiply 15 by 5. Multiply 5 by 5 ones. 5 times 5 ones is equal to 25 ones is equal to 2 tens 5 ones. Write 5 under ones. Carry over to 2 tens. Multiply 5 by 1 tens. 5 times 1 tens is equal to 5 tens. Add 5 tens and 2 tens. Carried over, 5 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 7 tens. Examples 2. Regrouping tens. Multiply 64 by 4. Multiply 4 by 4 ones. 4 times 4 ones is equal to 16 ones is equal to 1 tens 6 ones. Write 6 under ones. Carry over 1 to tens. Multiply 4 by 6 tens. 4 times 6 tens is equal to 24 tens. Add carried over 1 ten. 24 plus 1 equals 25 tens is equal to 205 tens. Write 5 tens under tens. Carry over to 200s. Write 200s as 2 in hundreds. Example 3. Regrouping ones and tens. Multiply 86 by 3. Multiply 3 by 6 ones. 3 times 6 ones is equal to 18 ones is equal to 1 tens 8 ones. Write 8 under ones. Carry over 1 to tens. Multiply 3 by 8 tens. 3 times 8 tens is equal to 24 tens. Add carried over 1 ten. 24 plus 1 equals 25 tens is equal to 205 tens. Write 5 tens under tens. Carry over to 200s. Write 200s as 2 in hundreds. Multiplication by 10 and 100. To find product of a number and 10, add a 0 after the number on right. 5 times 10 equals 50. 3 times 10 equals 30. To find product of a number and 100, add 2 zeros after the number on right. 6 times 100 equals 600. 4 times 100 equals 400. Multiplication app. We use multiplication in many situations in real life. Aarti School has a big building. There are 68 rooms in this building. Each room has 2 doors. How many doors are there? Number of rooms 68. Each room has doors is equal to 2. Total number of door in this building has 68 into 2 is equal to 136. Answer. There are 136 doors in the buildings.